Empower and prepare yourselves for a different kind of vocal training experience with these two award-winning talent who approach the VO realm with infinite possibilities to give. The Get Mike team, making a difference in your journey and your stories. GetMiked.com.
Hi, everybody. Guess what? We're back. Well, we're always back. We haven't gone anywhere, really.
We didn't go anywhere. Hello.
Now, for those that don't know, I'm Deb Monroe.
And I'm Ellie Ray.
And we are together, the Get Mike team.
Get Mike team.
I know, right? And we want you to get mic'd. And what we want to do is have you come to our next workshop. Our next workshop is on holiday commercials because the holidays are coming up. And we have a great idea to create a nice workshop that is very holiday related that allows you to give a gift back to your family.
And it's vocal.
It's vocal. But before we describe that just a little bit for you, we also want to let you know that Get Mic'd will have some gift cards. So this is a great time for you to be talking to your family and friends about what you want for Christmas.
Give.
Anything from Get Mic'd is worthy of enhancing your career and getting you to that next level.
Yeah, I agree. And you know what? Give. Gratitude. Gifts to yourself are always wonderful. And you can give them out. You can keep them for yourself. Hey, I say the season of giving is upon us, whether it's Yule tide or Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or whatever you choose to celebrate. Maybe you're the Grinch, celebrate that. That's okay too. We just want to make sure that everybody's included in our festivities and our desire to give back to our community.
Yep. And what better time to work on commercials when there's holidays coming up? Because most of us that voice in the commercial industry, especially, we're always voicing kind of a couple months before even the holidays come up to get up with all those ads. So we're going to play around with that. But speaking of giving, anyone who's taking a Get Mike workshop in the past year will get a discount if you guys join our December one, because we know it's close to Christmas. It's kind of hard to put that money aside this time of year. We get it. It's December 6th from 7 to whenever Ellie's finished. I mean, 7 to 10:30-ish. They're long workshops, but we're getting better and better all the time. So be prepared for some extra time because we can go over. But at least 3 hours of training. We're going to focus on commercial, but also with the holiday spirit coming up. So we hope that you guys will join us. Now, what we want to tell you about is that gift you can give your family. Out of this workshop, we're hoping you can find something you can give as a gift to them using, as Ellie said, your voice. So we're going to show you how you can turn your voice into a gift for your family.
Yay! How wonderful. Instead of just giving a card, but you give a little vocal message. Wow, isn't that great? Then they can keep it forever and hear your sweet voice if they're far away, or even if they're close, they can just listen back and go, oh, love it.
Check it out at getmiked.com, guys. See you soon.
Happy holidays.